has an 1.25 inch crimp PEX crimper. It's put out by Nibco. It's a Makita base. Nibco. It goes up to 1.25 PEX down to half. It's real low in here, but it also has these style. I don't know if you guys have been familiar with these yet or not. This is for the Pro Press, and this set does half through 1 inch copper Pro Press. Now, this is what used to be in here is water heater. It's leaking. Sorry about the poor light. What was here? Cut out. There we go. Okay. Now, due to our laws here, with the lead stuff that's going on, for potable water, we are no longer to use, we can no longer sweat copper. So, hence the reason for the Pro Press. And this set's pretty nice just because it does the big PEX stuff too, like 1.25 inch. That stuff's hard to crimp. 1 inch is hard enough, but 1.25 inch by hand is pretty darn hard. So, cut this little spot out and get my PEX. This is a 2 inch CPVC. This is residential, believe it or not, but we have I think it's a 70 or 80 gallon water heater. We have two old Burnham, two blue ones on the end. Those are each 230,000 BTU. It's a pool heater. It's non-existent. It's a Bryan boiler. It's not a filter, but so this piece, gray piece right there. I'm going to connect it back up to the ball valve here. Make my last crimp there and get the water on and get this thing lit so I can get out of here. It's late, so I'll be right back with you. Get that bad light up. Make sure I'm square. I got my, sorry about that. Get it square on there, and the nice thing is this thing can rotate. Your trigger can, so. At least this one's done. Crimp. So that's that with this thing. Here it is. 218 volt Makita batteries made by Nibco, and this head will rotate all the way around. You can get in there at angles, and this is the small one. I forget what they call it. But then they have like the Max Pro Press too. That's goes up to like almost 2.5 inch or just 2 inch, but for copper pro pressing. But you can also get the dies for the big 2 inch PEX stuff too, which we will get both. So pretty neat tool. I'd show you that. And of course, you can't do any PVC plumbing or any type of cutting without an old trusty standby. So. So, here you guys have it. I'm gonna get this guy here tightened on, and I will get this thing fired up. So, and if I run into any issues, I'll bring you back. Let's see what happens.